Good Monday morning. We are going to take our spelling pretest for Antarctic Journal. So if you will open up your first available page in your writing notebook, date it for May 4th, called Spelling Pretest is your title. And number from 1 to 25. And we will begin shortly. Number 1 is dictionary. I will look the word up in the dictionary. Dictionary. Number 2, abrupt. We were surprised by her abrupt departure. Abrupt. Number 3, predict. They predict that it will snow. Predict. Number 4, import. Many stores import products. Import. Number 5, locally. These apples were grown locally. Locally. Number 6, verdict. The jury has reached a verdict. Verdict. Number 7, locate. I cannot locate my glasses. Locate. Number 8, portable. My new DVD player is portable. Portable. Number 9, transport. I can transport the supplies in my truck. Transport. Number 10, bankrupt. The store went bankrupt. Bankrupt. Number 11, dictate. I will dictate a letter to you. Dictate. Number 12, location. What is the location of your house? Location. Number 13, erupt. The volcano may erupt. Erupt. Number 14, passport. You need a passport to travel to other countries. Passport. Number 15, export. Some companies export their products. Export. Number 16, contradict. These statements contradict each other. Contradict. 17, rupture. An earthquake can cause a rupture in the ground. Rupture. 18, Interrupt. It's not polite to interrupt. Interrupt. Number 19, disrupt. Do not disrupt the performance. Disrupt. Number 20, dislocate. The fall caused me to dislocate my shoulder. Dislocate. Challenge words. Number 21, vindictive. He was vindictive because he had been wronged. Vindictive. 22, portfolio. I keep a collection of my writings in a portfolio. Portfolio. Number 23, jurisdiction. It was in her jurisdiction to decide. Jurisdiction. Number 24, corruption. Corruption is often punished by jail time. Corruption. Interruption. Number 25, interruption. There was an interruption in electrical service. Interruption. We will look over these when we get together at 9:50, at 9:50 today. So have those ready so we can check your work. Thanks. Bye.